How to install Easy Anti-Cheat. In this video, we're going to be talking about Easy Anti-Cheat and how you're going to be able to install this incredible software for yourself. Now, if you're not aware of what Easy Anti-Cheat is, Easy Anti-Cheat is basically an anti-cheat service countering hacking and cheating in multiplayer PC games through the use of hybrid anti-cheat mechanisms. So, Easy Anti-Cheat allows you to go ahead and add the software to your PCs, and whenever you see someone hacking in a game, if you have Easy Anti-Cheat activated on your device or software, you're automatically, first of all, leaving the game. Okay, so you're automatically, it takes you out of the game, and it also sends a report to the game servers letting them know that, hey, you have a hacker in your midst. Now, you can find out over here as well that Easy Anti-Cheat counters the root cause of cheating with industry-leading prevention techniques. Their mission is to keep games fun and non-invasive and trusted industry-wide. With over a decade of experience in developing anti-malware technology, the team has the industry-leading level of expertise, which is pretty cool. And you can see the easy protected games are games like Apex Legends, Fall Guys, Fortnite, iRacing, Rust, and even a whole lot more. So, if you want to go ahead and download Easy Anti-Cheat for yourself, first of all, we come over to their main page, obviously. Now, once you come over to the main page to download it, you do need to make sure that you have Epic Games installed, okay? So, to get Easy Anti-Cheat, you're going to go over to Visit Epic, and you're going to make sure that the Epic Games launcher that you have is installed. So, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and make sure Epic Games Launcher is installed. And once Epic Games Launcher is installed, what you can do from there on out is simply add Easy Anti-Cheat straight to your devices. Now, Epic Games Launcher, to download it, what you're going to need to do is you're going to come over here to, let's say, play Fortnite, Rocket League, Fall Guys, whatever you want. It's all dependent on you. And, to download it, it's really simple. Just go over ahead to their main website. Now, right over here, all you're going to do is you're going to click on download. And what it does is it first downloads the Epic Games Store for you, which is basically the main Epic Games section. And, find Easy Cheat installer on your computer. It's really simple to do so. You can not only do it through, softwares like Epic Games or anything like that, but you can also have it downloaded through games like Rust or other games that, support it. So in some cases, Easy Anti-Cheat might actually be downloaded on your PC if you have games running like Rust, or if you have Fortnite, or if you have Apex Legends, Rocket League, etc. And once you have done downloading Epic Games Launcher, what you're going to do is basically just open it up. And if there's any game that you have Easy Anti-Cheat on, like let's say Apex Legends or Rocket League, you can go over to their game files. And in their game files, you can easily install Easy Anti-Cheat for yourself. And that is basically the main idea of EAC, or Easy Anti-Cheat, and how you're going to be installing it on your computer. So you don't find an external install for it. You can install it on Google Chrome or any web browser for that fact. You are going to want to make sure that you have some prerequisites for it. And those prerequisites are having the Epic Games downloaded on your PC. Like, as I told you, you could have Rust, you could have Fortnite, and so on more. And then to proceed in downloading the Easy Anti-Cheat software, what you're going to want to do is you're going to make sure to go into the game files of these games. So let's say I download Fortnite. Now, what you do is you go over to the game files in Fortnite, the game files that they provide you. And once you go over to their game files, what happens in that case is they have an Easy Anti-Cheat folder in their game folder. And over there, it gives you a proper installation setup file that you can use to download Easy Anti-Cheat into your PCs in the easiest and most simplest way. So that is, I'd say, pretty much all there is for this video on how you can install Easy Anti-Cheat on any devices that you have. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great and amazing day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.